Hi, welcome to the 11th video in this learning series where we are going to learn SQL by solving coding challenges. There's a link in the description. You can use that to land in this page. And on this page, make sure you have checked solved, unsolved, and SQL basic. Okay. Today we are going to solve weather observation station 7. Okay. So open it. Okay. So here, the task is to find all the city names that ends in a vowel. Previously, we find all the city names that starts in a vowel. Okay. I have already introduced you guys to these two functions in MySQL, lower and substring. Lower will return the arguments in lowercase, and substring will return a substring from the input string as we specify these parameters. This time, we need to extract last characters, okay? So let's consider this example. All right. Here, the position is set to -1 and length is -1. Sorry, length is 1 and position is set to -1. Okay, this will give us the last character. Okay, so let me explain this. When you set the position to -1, you start counting from the end of the string, right? So the starting point is the last character and the length is 1. It means we are going to extract one character from the starting point, which is the last character, okay? So this will output the last character. So let's take a look at another example. Here, the position equals -2. Since the position is -2, we start counting from the end of the string. So 2 points from the end. So the starting point is O. Since the length equals 2, we extract 2 characters from the starting point, okay? So O and N. All right, last 2 characters, okay? Now, let's look at another example. Here, we set the position to -3 and length equals 2. Since we set position to -3, we start counting from the end of the string. So N, O, D. D is the starting point, right? D is the starting point. And we are going to extract 2 characters, right? So D and O. That's the output, right? So, all right. Now, I have coded up everything, right? Because I want to show you some variations or different alternatives, right? So anyway, I'm going to run this. Then I will explain it, okay? So here, select distinct cities from station, okay? I made sure that we are only selecting the city names, right? And by putting the distinct keyword right before the city field, I ensured that the output will contain no duplicates, okay? In the where clause, I filtered the rows so that the output will only have names that ends in the vowel, okay? Here is the check, here is another check, and we are extracting the city field, okay? So you can see that all the city names are ending in a vowel, okay? So, all right. Now let's look at another alternative, right? So this time, this is just a mild variation, okay? You can look it up in the documentation. Over here, we can read this, select substring Sakila from -442. This means the starting point is the 4th from the end, right? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. The starting point is K, and we are extracting 2 characters, so K and I, right? So that's it. So here you can see this. We are extracting the last character. We pass that to the lower. Lower will output the lowercase. And here in the where clause, we check whether it is a vowel or not. That's all, right? So that's it. The final thing I want to show you is a solution using regular expression. Okay, let's run this. So the most important thing here is regular expression is not case sensitive, right? So whatever it is, whether it is uppercase or it is lowercase, it doesn't matter. Regular expression will find a pattern, right? If it matches that pattern, it will give us an output. So yeah, that's it. Let's wait for the result. All right, you can see we get all the city names that ends in a vowel, right? So I have used a $sign here. So $sign means end of string, right? Or ends with. So that's it. So you can check out all these alternatives and yeah, read about it. That's it. See you in the next one. Bye.